Hi. So today we are going to shift after completing the surface command. We are going to start with the solids menu. Okay. In the solids menu, first of all, I will teach you how to make some solid objects which are already into this toolbar. First is sphere. Sphere is like a ball. Center of sphere 0 meter. It's like how you are drawing a circle. Diameter 10. Now this is in wireframe mode. Okay, you have to click on shaded so that you can see it. Since this is a ball, from all four views it will look the same. Okay, it is a sphere ball. Next there are some solid objects which can be drawn directly, which are already installed in the software, which I want to show. Now this is episode, which is, you can say, it's an oval shape. Okay, for this I will just teach you once how you can draw it. This is the first, this is the second, and this will be the third. Its height, this will be its height, and then here its width. This is one episode, this is sphere. Then we have torus. You see, torus will help you to draw some rings. Click, then select, check diameter, which diameter you want. See, you want about 5. Okay, just draw it on in center, so that just 5. See, this point which we have created is on 2.5. This is the center circle, which you can see between these three lines is 5. Now second, you can see diameter. Second diameter from F4 will be 1.2. This is 0.6. Okay. Diameter is, that is the thickness which you are asking for. So diameter is the thickness of this torus, 1.2. Okay. This is called torus. This is also closed. These all are closed objects. Okay. Then you have cylinder. Cylinder is useful by making the prongs for the collets. 0.8. You can go and click on diameter, and if you want 0.8, and then its height about 5. This is a cylinder, solid cylinder. For making prongs for the collets, stone seat is called as a collet. When you make a diamond seat, for that you need this to make prongs, cylinder. Okay. And then there is cone and pyramid are not so useful, so I will teach you up to this tube. Tube is also cylinder, but it's like a tube. The second diameter you can click anywhere, and then inside its diameter 0.6. Its diameter going this way. Let's say 1.2, 1.25 and 4.5. In measurement, I can show you the diameter dimension. You can check, this was 5 and inside diameter was 4.5. So it build up a tube with this. This is a tube. solid. Okay. So now, and then there is a box. Before that, there is a box, a simple box which you can draw. This can be rectangular. This can be bigger, smaller. These all are solid making commands. These many are the solids which you can see, which can be drawn directly. Okay. Now let's go for the first command. That is Boolean union. Boolean union, I just let you know, but it's not that actually necessary. Okay, only very rare. Boolean union is just making these two poly surfaces, getting these poly surfaces or surfaces as one. See, now there are two. Okay, when you go to Boolean union, what happens is select surfaces or poly surfaces to union. This and this, click, press enter. See, it has become union. Now this is a single poly surface. It has trim which are intersected and it has union. Similarly, this, when it is inside a little bit, if you say it's just a little inside, okay. Now you want to, this cannot be joined because they are closed. Okay, this cannot be joined. These both are closed objects. Only edges can be joined. Okay, this can be union. Two surfaces can be one, then only union it. Okay, so you can also select that, click on union, that automatically it is union. It's called union. Next comes Boolean difference. Boolean difference is used especially to create holes on, create drills on poly surfaces. Now, for these commands, Boolean union or Boolean difference, you need a closed objects, closed poly surfaces. Okay, solids. You cannot punch with a curve with surfaces. Sometimes it's possible, sometimes it's not. Okay. So let me create a cylinder for you. Okay. Inside this and on the others, I will intersect it. Now you can see I am going to drill a hole into this by using Boolean difference command. Okay. So Boolean difference. It's first, it says select first set of surfaces. First set should be our poly surface on which you have to drill. Then it says to press enter or right click. Then there is date input yes. That means this will be deleted. Okay, if it is yes. If it is no, this will remain as it is, but there will be a drill. Okay. Now second surface of surfaces is our drilling tool, which we have placed here. Now press enter. See, the part which was merged into this cylindrical part is all Boolean difference cut out. In the sense, it's just cut out. Cuts the poly surfaces. This is also closed because it is creating, it's into solid. That's why. Supposing you want to cut it a little small, half, not full, you can keep it here. How much it is merged into it, that much of the portion will be deleted, cut. Boolean difference. This time I keep it no. Okay. So now what will happen? See, creating rendering machines means it is happening. See, when you click it, you can see its iso curves joined into this. By this you can understand that it is splitted. This is remained because we kept the delete input no. That's why. See. So this is Boolean difference. Now I will show you Boolean intersection. Now supposing you take another say take a copy of this and you make Boolean intersection. Select first surface of surfaces. Select the next surface of surfaces. Second. You see, what has happened is the part which is intersected in these two, this inside part, only remains, and the other parts get simulated. Boolean intersection is just the opposite of Boolean difference. Now same if you Boolean difference, see what happens. What has happened? The part which is intersected into this has cut it out. Okay. And in Boolean intersection, what happened? The part which was intersected remains and others get cut out. There is a difference. Basically, these two commands, Boolean union and intersection, are not so useful. Only useful is Boolean difference. Okay, so you can just practice Boolean difference. This I had told you just for an idea for you. Okay, so what it does, that's fine. You can practice with Boolean. You can just watch a video for the idea and practice, but for practicing you can use Boolean difference. Okay, this is it for today. This class.